Hello, swing trading. How to analyze stocks for swing trading using long option long swing trading strategy. Part 4. We have our stock watch list. We have think of swing platform open that we are using to analyze stocks, and the next one we are going to analyze is SO. So SO, the purple trend line is our entry point, is the long up trend line that we like to buy at. It originated from there, and we have two lows that we connected, and we just stretch it to see how far it's going to go and what kind of lows it's going to touch, and then we decide if we like it or not. So we are going to wait on for the stocks to pull back to this trend line, and when it start making higher lows there, we'll buy at the first green bar or second green bar after the pullback. Right now is higher than that trend line. We are not going to do anything to it. The next one is SPGI. We like to buy at this trend line, but right now is following this trend line. It's going up, it's not going down yet. The next one is SYK, and we have SYK already in our portfolio. We are not going to buy it until we sell it. We like to buy at those lines later, but right now we purchase it right there, and then that trend line ended, that short trend line ended, and the price went down. The next one is TJX. So TJX, we like to buy at this trend line, but right now it's following this one. The next one is TMUS. We like to buy at the purple line, and right now it's going down. This trend line ended. We bought quite a bit around that trend line last year. The arrows facing up showing where we bought, and the arrows up facing down shows where we sold. But that trend line ended, and right now is going down, but still now close to the trend line we like to buy. TRY. We like to buy at either one of those trend lines. Right now is it passed that line going down, so we'll just keep watching it. The next one is TRV. We purchased TRV this year. We purchased it there around this trend line when we start seeing a higher lows. This low is higher than this one, and we purchased it, but that day turned out to be a red, and right now we have this low that is even lower than where we bought it, but we are just going to keep watching it. So we bought it, and then it pulled back to create a lower low, so it is a possibility. TSCO is going to linger around that trend line for a while before taking off, because it's a low trend line. It could do that. So we like to buy this one at this trend line, TSCO, but right now is higher up. It's far from it. TYL. So TYL is far, the current price is far from where we like to enter, but it seems to be going down in the sense that it's creating lower lows. To buy, we pay attention to the lows. We buy when we are having higher lows, which is signifying an upward trend, and when we are about to sell, we pay attention to the highs. So I will talk more about lows when I'm talking about buying. URY. We bought URY last year. We have not sold it yet. We have it in our portfolio. We bought it, that trend line ended, the price went down, and right now we are having lower lows. The next one is V. V is far from the trend line we like to buy at. It's still going up. It's not going down yet. So it seems to be following this trend line. Where we like to buy is far below. The next one is WAB. We purchased WAB last year. We have not sold it yet. We purchased it at this trend line. It went up a little bit, then went down. It's consolidated there, and we'll see. Seems to be going up here, but we'll just keep looking at it. The next one is WM. And WM, we purchased it at this trend line. That trend line ended and it went down. So we are just going to keep looking at it. The next one is WMT. WMT, we are going to buy at this trend line, but right now is following this trend line. It's not going down yet. The next one is WSO. WSO, we bought it at this trend line. We bought it at this trend line, and that trend line ended. It pulled back, and pretty much doing it since around this trend line here. But we have lower lows here, so we don't have enough higher lows here to say that it's not going to continue going down to the next purple line that we have below. So this concludes how we analyze our chart using daily chart, especially in this one, maximum daily chart, to analyze stocks on our watch list to see what stocks we could buy. And today we found one that can be purchased if today price bar around noon is a green bar, and it is RPM. RPM. We are not going to buy it because it is already highlighted on our portfolio, meaning we already purchased it in the past, but we can still say that, you know, it is at this low uptrend line, that if we have a green bar today, this price pullback is higher than this one. If you have a green bar today, it could be a good entry point to buy some share, but we are not going to buy because we already bought it at a higher up before the price pull back. But based on our analysis, if we didn't have it in our portfolio already, this area will be a good area to enter. If today is a green bar, it will be a good point to buy. But again, we could buy it and it could turn around and make lower lows as well. It is a possibility, but we are just trying to minimize the chances of entering the trade a little bit too early. If it's now ready to start going up, it's going to continue going down for a while. We just don't want to get in early. Does that make sense? Because if it start going down, making lower lows, it could decide to come down here. But we notice that it made quite a bit of touch point on this one. Therefore, it could go up from there, or it could decide to go down. But you just don't know until after the fact. So you either buy or you don't buy. But again, we are not going to buy because we already purchased it even at a higher price before the price decided to pull back. Thank you so much for watching. We thank you very much for your time. We have multiple videos for this chart to analyze those 79 stocks on our watch list today, and it's going to be, the links to them is going to be in the description. We explain more about the strategy in the first video, but again, last year we used short trend line swing trading strategy, and this year we are using long trend line swing trading strategy. And we have videos on how we pick stocks for our watch list. You'll find it in the playlist titled Swing Trading at the end of the video on the screen or in the description. And we chose daily chart. That's on the daily chart we swing trade, but we are using maximum daily chart to analyze our stocks because the trend line, the long trend line, is low for some stocks. Therefore, the maximum trend line showing us multiple years on the screen allow us to see those low trend line. And the trend line that we trace and we color on purple, and purple is our entry point for those stocks. So we'll buy when we have a few higher lows around the trend line, and we will sell when the price reach a new high or our minimum profit target is reached. Because we are going to trade less with this strategy, we allocate a higher dollar amount per trade. You can determine how much to allocate by calculating a 5% of your account value, the account you are trading in, to determine how much to allocate per trade. And then you can decide on the profit target as well, or the next new high, because our watch list comprise large cap, upward large cap. They create new highs often. Therefore, we are going to aim for that, but we will see. Thank you so much for watching. We thank you very much for your time. We thank you very much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for your comments, and we thank you very much you all that subscribe to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, creator of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, and in soap.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to make money and different ways to save money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. Just start small and grow your account slowly from there. Thank you.